Are you constantly asking yourself these common questions? The answer for this will make the difference between a professional, profitable trader and an amateur trader. So here are they. Why am I losing money? Why did I make that mistake? This is a spot where I can add my discretion. Is what I am looking at is even worthwhile? What if I've missed something in my analysis? What am I doing wrong? When will I start making money again? How could I have been so stupid? Will I make it as a trader? What will I do if I can't make money from trading? Have I lost it completely? Am I going to be able to figure it out? Well, sometimes these are very legit questions and that they linger in the back of your head, and they can be answered by choosing the right mentor, course, or a learning method. And sometimes they're just there to contaminate your thinking. Remember, small losses are part of this business, and this thinking should be coded in your DNA.